The best power supply fuels your PC with energy it needs to run your components. It's a simple part of your rig, but a crucial one that could become a real pain. If your PC contains powerful hardware to run your game smoothly, then you should have a proper PSU to power up these peripherals. So in today's video, we're going to break down the top 5 best PSUs to buy in 2023 for your gaming rig.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
If you're looking for an entry-level PSU that will not break the bank, but it will deliver adequate power, then we suggest the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2. At just under $50, the GX2 is the perfect option for anyone who's looking to build a budget-friendly gaming PC. This power supply comes with a 600-watt capacity and an 80+ gold rating with up to 90% efficiency. It also features a 49A plus 12V rail and comes with a 5-year warranty. Its ultra-quiet 120mm dynamic bearing fans provide superior cooling performance and silent operation. Plus, built-in high-quality capacitors provide superb performance and reliability. The cables include a 24-pin main power connector, a 12V ADX pin, a total of 6 SATA pins with a lengthy cable, a PCIe cable to connect storage devices with 3 extra peripherals, pins, and a floppy adapter. Although as expected, at this price range, it's not a modular unit. To sum things up, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 delivers enough power that a beginner-level PC could demand at its peak performance. So if your budget is limited, you should consider buying this one. If the casing of your PC is smaller than traditional ones, you might need a PSU that has a small form factor. In this case, we suggest you the SilverStone SX1000 PSU. The SX1000 is the strongest and most compact unit among the PSUs on our list, and it has enough connectors to support a strong gaming system even in a tight space. Inside it, a class-leading single plus 12V rail with 83.3A will run this PSU smoothly to power up the whole system. SilverStone has equipped this PSU with 2 EPS and 6 PCIe connectors to ensure it can deliver its full power without any problems. Moreover, all cables are modular, making the PSU's installation a breeze. Because of the small PCB, the temperatures at the internals can go high, so double ball bearing 120mm fans are used, which can handle hot conditions without any problems. The SX1000 not only has an unprecedented 1000 watts of power output, but also has the second highest level of 80+ efficiency with a platinum rating. It also includes all features available from top-of-the-line SilverStone PSUs such as flexible flat cables, all Japanese capacitors, and advanced semi-fanless capability. So for those looking to build the most efficient small form factor systems possible with great quality and power, the SX1000 LPD is definitely worth checking out. At number 3, we have the Seasonic Prime TX1000. Seasonic hit the jackpot with its Prime platform, which starts from gold efficiency and goes all the way up to titanium. Several high-impact brands have already used Seasonic's base platform in their own PSUs. The TX1000 is a great power supply featuring top-notch build quality. Besides great soldering work, it also uses Japanese capacitors and a fluid 135mm dynamic bearing fan. Performance-wise, this PSU belongs to the top league since it achieves tight load regulation on all rails and has terrific ripple suppression without using the annoying inline caps. With a 100A plus 12V rail and 80+ titanium, this PSU can feed your system according to its demand even in the highest amount of load. A significant asset of the TX1000 is that it has 6 PCIe connectors on dedicated cables, so you won't have a problem powering energy-hungry graphics card. Overall, the TX1000 easily outperforms its competitors in the same price range. And with Seasonic's 12-year warranty, there's no doubt that this platform is reliable and future buyers will have long peace of mind. For those of you looking to run a multi-GPU setup or simply give yourself plenty of headroom for overclocking and a new RTX 3090, the Corsair AX1600i can be a worthy option. Corsair's big milestone with the AX1600i is switching from silicon to gallium nitride FETs. Due to their extremely low gate charge and output capacitance, gallium nitride FETs can be switched at extremely high speeds. The Corsair AX1600i comes with an enormous 133.3A plus 12V rail, sports an 80+ titanium rating, and comes with a fully modular design. It also features a 140mm fan that will shut off at lower loads so your system stays as quiet as possible. Corsair offers lots of cables and connectors since 1600W has to be distributed among them. 6 of the PCIe connectors are hosted on dedicated cables, while the other 4 are on the 2 cables using a typical daisy chain scheme. There are 16 SATA connectors and 9 Molex ones, along with a couple of FDD adapters for anyone still requiring bar connectors. All in all, the AX1600i employs an innovative platform and provides top performances in all areas, as well as sufficient power and a future-proof power supply. So simply, it's the best PSU that you can buy today. If you have a higher budget and are looking for a high-end power supply to power a high-end graphics card like an RTX 4090, then this PSU from EVGA is worth considering. After conducting extensive research, we have selected the EVGA Supernova T2 as the best and #1 PSU on our list. It's an 850W power supply that offers 70.8A plus 12V rail, comes with highest 80+ titanium rating possible, and offers full modularity. In addition to that, EVGA offers a lengthy 10-year warranty, an unbelievable 94+ efficiency, EVGA Eco Mode, and a built-in self-power tester. All the cables on this PSU are long and have a sufficient number of connectors. With 2 EPS and 6 PCIe connectors, the PSU won't have any problems delivering its full power. The EVGA Eco Mode ensures that the power supply stays completely silent during low to medium loads, allowing you to unleash your full potential PC power without any extra noise. Also, the fan doesn't spin until necessary, allowing for completely silent operation. The semi-modular design allows you to only use the cables you need, helping in more airflow inside the case. To sum up, the EVGA Supernova T2 provides an excellent balance of power and extra features that make using the computer during intensive tasks more enjoyable than ever before.
Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications, so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.